Feeling stuck with a small account and tired of strategies that just don't believe her? I know the struggle. That's why I'm sharing the method that finally got me traction. And it could be the breakthrough that you've been waiting for. So let's go with that. If you think that is good so far, just wait for all to get a comment in the end, right? So let's go with that, guys. Classic candles, Japanese 10 second time frame, indicator CCI Keltner Channel, and Supertrend. Right, Supertrend, guys, we're gonna use A3, that's color. All right, Keltner Channel 1261. The color is up to you. All right, I just want to show. CCI is 14 on the period. Right, it's the same right here. I want to use white. That's good. And the next process looks for strong entry, guys. So let's try to do this. 1 minute on expiration time, $14. Okay, guys. I want to remind you that again. You that have more interest on that. The auction registration link will be in the video description. All right. As you can see, I've found a strong downward trend. Now let's see what signals that pay attention along with the downtrend. First of all, I started by analysis of the CCI indicator, right? When we're dealing with a downtrend, it's necessary that the white line of the CCI moves along its own red line. The signals give the first impulse that I can continue on the analysis, all right? This does not mean that this alone is enough. However, this is the first important sign, okay? The signal directly indicators that the market's oversold, so sometimes that's pretty good, right? So when you have the situation is an upward and downward. And great, guys, $26, that's one. We just scratched the surface here. If you want to rise a professional level, it's about mastering the right strategy. To make that easier, I have two exclusive pieces of content waiting for you at the end of the video. Don't miss them, all right? Let's go with that. All right. Again, we have a strong downward trend. Here, I continue to expand the metal, and the next step is check the Supertrend indicator here. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. This little line, red line. Here we have to observe whether the indicator show the red line that moved from top to bottom. When you get a green one, that's bottom to top. Okay, this is the table gives me that additional confidence because the super trend show the general mood of the market and the strength of the trend. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Well, the last signal that observed is red line below the Keltner Channel. That is like the support line from the Bollinger Bands. Almost the same. That the main thing here is that this line is crossed by the red candle in the downward direction. This signals directly indicator that there's a pressure on the market and the price may fall for an great one. Look, that's $49.50 on the total. That's a great win, guys. For me, this three signals together as access partner powerful filter and when the human sign up. I already have a serious reason to believe that market is really downward trends. I'm often asked why the trend indicator, and that's answer is simple. Together, they help me to exclude false signals and leave on the most reliable opportunities. Over the years, experience had showed me a lot to be better understand how the indicators work together. However, most importantly, all this uses principle that each signal is checked separately. We need all these signals together, right? So in all the signals sequence, that is more than just mechanical analysis for me. Okay. This is a certain solid conclusion that strengthened my confidence in this decision video. That's good. Therefore, this process will remain constantly interesting and developing for me. And now, guys, that's all for this video. All right. Please write in the comments, subscribe to the channel. That's very important for me. Okay, just hit the like button. Just try to type your goals in the description. Okay, and right now, guys, I wish you good luck, wish you good profits, good preparations, and have a good one. I will see you in the next video, in the next live session, and have a good one, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.